This is the RCA Plenum-Rated component audio-video cable. This cable includes 5 separate color-coded 24K gold-plated connectors to ensure proper installation. It allows you to run component video and stereo audio through a single cable. Red, green, and blue transmit high-definition video up to 1080p. The dark red and white cables are separate from the video for easy visual confirmation of left and right audio. This makes it easy to interconnect your TV and devices. Plenum component video and audio cables are designed to meet the strictest of electrical codes. Our Plenum cables meets and exceeds many common cable standards. They are safe to run in schools, offices, return air spaces, and anywhere where local electrical dictate the use of Plenum cables. Internally, this cable is protected from EMI and RFI interface by 95% copper braid and 100% aluminum foil shield. The RCA Plenum-Rated component audio-video cable is a quick and easy solution for your audio-video projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.